Now, if you're risking 10%, 20%, and even 50% of your account per trade, stop, because you're not really trading, you are simply gambling. Now, let me break down exactly why this is one major mistake that keeps beginners stuck and broke as a forex trader. First is account destruction. Your account gets destroyed. Now, let's say you have $1,000 and you risk 50% per trade. One loss means that you are down by $500. Now, to get back up to your $1,000 account, that means you need to double your money. Now, that's the trap. The bigger you lose, the harder it becomes to recover. And that's one major reason why you cannot risk too much when you're placing a trade. Number two is emotional trading takes over. When too much money is on the line, your brain switches from logic to survival mode. Imagine you see your trade on minus $1,000. Instantly in your mind you convert that to naira. You know that's a whole lot of money. So your emotion takes over instantly. You start closing trades too early because you're scared. Then your old losing trades praying the reverse. At that point, it's no longer strategy. It's emotion controlling each and every one of your moves. Number three is that you can't survive losing streaks. Once your risk is too high, you can't survive once there's a losing streak. Even the best traders in the world lose multiple trades in a row. Don't let anybody deceive you. Even professional traders lose trades. So it's not exclusive to you because you're a beginner. It happens. That's the way the market works. You win some, you lose some. What is most important is that you have more. Now, if you're risking 2%, if you're risking 20% of your account per trade, the truth is that just 3 losses can cut your account almost into half. And I tell you many times, people don't recover from such kind of losses. Number 4, no consistency, just chaos. The moment you start trading with high lot size, you're risking too high, you are not going to have any consistency. You're just trading in a very chaotic manner. And one day you hit a big win. The next day you lose everything. Just the cycle. Win today, lose tomorrow. Your account becomes a roller coaster, up down, up down, up down, and on like that. There is not going to be any steady growth, no structure, no profit compounding. And the truth is this: in forex trading, if you don't have consistency, you can't build real wealth. Real wealth is built over time when you are consistent with your trades. Number 5, if you're taking unnecessarily high risk, is that you are going to be breaking the golden rule of professional trading. Now, real traders don't chase quick wins. No, at all. They don't chase quick wins. They protect their capital first. The first major priority of a professional trader is actually not the profit, it's his capital. That's his first priority. Then the profit can come on top of that capital. And that's why professional traders only risk 1 to 2% of their equity per trade. Now, this allows them to survive losses because, like I said, losses will come. If you start forex trading and somebody tells you you're not going to have losses, that person hates you. He's not telling you the truth. There will be losses. But what is important is that you have more winning trades than losing trades. And that comes when you practice proper risk management. So, when you have your losses, if your risk is minimal, 1-2%, it allows you to survive the losses. And the other side is that you're not going to be emotional. You'll be calm and you can grow steadily over a period of time. And finally, here's the truth most people don't want to hear. Trading is not about making fast money. It's not about making quick money. It's not about blowing up fast. No, it's not. It's not about making money fast. It's about how not to lose money fast. I'll repeat that. Trading is not about making fast money. It's about not losing money fast, because if you can survive, you can learn, you can improve, and eventually you can win. All right, follow for real forex knowledge. No hype, just what actually works. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.